Hi, just bought the Musetex case. I don't know what model this is, but just got it at Amazon for a little over $100. Not a bad case. As you can see, I use the MSI lighting inside of it. I got a 1070 in there. Change the color of the fans. There's lots of different variety for the fans in there. I really like the honeycomb in the front. I like the MSI logo in the front of it too. It was courtesy of the board I bought. Out of all the different fan types with the RGB button, I have to say I really like the rainbow one right here. This is my favorite, and it goes really well with the RAM that I have inside of my case. And I have to say, for $100, not a bad case at all. This is one of the best cases I've had. There is one thing I have to say about it, though, that I am not too satisfied about. It's not that big of a complaint either. This piece of glass in front with the fans, I would recommend taking this thing off, especially if you're going to game, because if you don't, this piece of glass stops the front fans from actually taking any air in, and it can only take a very little amount of them in from the sides, and the inside of the case gets extremely hot, especially if you're overclocking when you're gaming, if you don't remove the piece of glass in the front. So as long as you do that when you game, you're completely good to go. Besides that, I give it 2 thumbs up, and I highly recommend it.